Hello, this is Paul from Alphasauna. Today, I'll show you how to use our smart Wi-Fi control panel. Step 1. Long press the screen to wake up the sauna control panel. Once it lights up, you will see the main functions. Go to Wi-Fi setting and connect it to your network. Once connected, you can control your sauna remotely. Tap temperature timer to adjust settings. The temperature of 40 to 65 degrees Celsius is recommended. Once the sauna reaches the desired temperature, enter and use it for durations of 15 to 45 minutes. Choose different lighting colors for a relaxing atmosphere. Turn on Bluetooth and connect to your phone. Enjoy music or podcast during your sauna session.
I heard you calling on the megaphone.
Use the mobile app to preheat and adjust setting anytime. After using, tap power off or turn it off via the app. Let the sauna cool down naturally and keep it naturally. When the sauna reaches the set temperatures, the requirement using time is no more than 30 minutes, and please ensure the sauna control panel dry. At Alphasauna, we make your sauna smarter and enjoyable. Okay, see you next time.